Are you tired of feeling stuck in a rut, watching others achieve their dreams while you're left behind? What if I told you that the key to unlocking your potential lies in the hours after 7 p.m.? In this video, we'll reveal the secret evening habits that successful people swear by. Habits that could transform your life overnight. You might be shocked to learn how a simple shift in your nightly routine could be the difference between mediocrity and extraordinary success. Don't miss out on these game-changing tips that could revolutionize your path to achievement. Hit that subscribe button now to ensure you never miss another life-changing video. 1. The productivity paradox. Embracing discomfort. Stay away from comfort and relaxation after 7 p.m. While it may seem counterintuitive, your mind and body don't actually want to shut off completely yet. Instead of collapsing on the couch, engage in slow, productive activities that help you wind down while still accomplishing tasks. For example, tech mogul Elon Musk is known for using his evenings to brainstorm innovative ideas for his companies, proving that embracing a bit of discomfort can lead to groundbreaking success. 2. Mindful meals. The secret ingredient to success. Transform your dinner into a meaningful event rather than a mindless activity. Eating at the table instead of in front of the TV can improve your relationship with food, enhance family connections, and provide a sense of routine and well-being. Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg is known for prioritizing family dinners, using this time to connect with loved ones and reflect on the day's achievements. 3. The evening energizer. Low-impact movement for high-impact results. Combine low-impact movement with easy learning to beat the evening slump. Take a walk, do some stretches, or hop on an exercise bike while listening to an informative audiobook or podcast. Michelle Obama, former First Lady, often speaks about her evening walks as a time for reflection and continued learning, demonstrating how this habit can contribute to personal growth and stress relief. 4. Unlock your inner Da Vinci, the power of nighttime creativity. Engage in creative activities to challenge your mind and improve problem-solving skills. Whether it's painting, writing, or playing an instrument, these activities can significantly boost your mood and self-expression. Renowned author Stephen King is known for dedicating his evenings to writing, showing how consistent creative practice can lead to extraordinary output. 5. The 15-minute project accelerator. Dedicate just 15 minutes each evening to personal projects and watch your progress soar. This small-time investment can lead to significant advancements in skills like writing, web development, or learning a new language. Legendary investor Warren Buffett attributes much of his success to his habit of reading for at least 15 minutes every evening, continuously expanding his knowledge base. 6. Tame the task monster. Conquer small admin duties. Use your evening to wrap up small administrative tasks that take less than 5 minutes each. This habit clears your mind and sets you up for a more productive tomorrow. Former PepsiCo CEO Indra Nooyi was known for her evening routine of answering emails and preparing for the next day, allowing her to start each morning with a clear focus. 7. Tomorrow's victory starts tonight. The power of evening decision-making. Make tomorrow's mundane decisions tonight to save your morning decision-making energy. Choosing outfits, preparing meals, and packing bags in advance can significantly streamline your mornings. Former President Barack Obama was known for laying out his suits the night before, demonstrating how this simple habit can free up mental space for more important decisions. 8. Choreograph your morning, the evening dress rehearsal. Design your morning routine the night before, setting the stage for a seamless start to your day. Lay out your clothes, prepare your breakfast, and position everything you need for a smooth takeoff. Virgin Group founder Richard Branson swears by this practice, crediting it for his ability to maintain a consistent exercise routine and productive mornings. 9. The nightly reset. Wash away the day's stress. Take a relaxing shower or bath to cleanse yourself of the day's stress and prepare for restful sleep. This habit not only improves hygiene, but also signals to your body that it's time to wind down. Arianna Huffington, founder of the Huffington Post, emphasizes the importance of a relaxing bedtime routine, including a hot bath, in her quest for better sleep and increased productivity. 10. Multitask mastery. Combine entertainment with productivity. Pair your evening entertainment with a productive activity to maximize your time. Watch your favorite show while folding laundry or organizing items. Successful entrepreneur Gary Vaynerchuk often talks about how he catches up on industry news while doing household chores, proving that you can enjoy downtime without sacrificing productivity. 11. The Daily Money Minute. Nurture your finances. Take a few minutes each evening to check your bank account and record your transactions. This habit keeps you aware of your financial situation and promotes better money management. Self-made millionaire David Bach attributes much of his financial success to his daily practice of tracking expenses and staying connected with his money. 12. The Evening Reflection. Your personal growth catalyst. Reflect on your day by jotting down what went well and what could be improved. This practice enhances self-awareness and promotes continuous personal growth. Oprah Winfrey is a strong advocate for daily reflection, often sharing how this habit has contributed to her success and emotional well-being. 13. Tomorrow's Triumph. The Power of Nightly Goal Setting. Write down your goals for tomorrow, including the why behind each task. This practice increases motivation and helps prioritize your activities. Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk is known for his rigorous goal-setting routine, often planning his next day in extreme detail to maximize productivity. 14. Digital detox, the nighttime phone ban. Put your phone away at least 30 minutes before bedtime to improve sleep quality and reduce stress. Many successful people, including Apple CEO Tim Cook, practice this habit, recognizing the importance of disconnecting from technology for better rest and rejuvenation. 15. The Closing Shift. Set the stage for tomorrow's success. End your day with a closing shift, tidying up your space and preparing for the next day. This habit creates a fresh start each morning and reduces stress. Marie Kondo, organization expert and author, emphasizes the importance of this practice for maintaining a clutter-free mind and environment. Implementing these 15 evening habits can dramatically improve your productivity, well-being, and overall success. But this is just the beginning of your journey towards a life of achievement and financial freedom. Keep watching our previous videos that tackle more ways to get there and uncover the surprising secrets that await you along the way. Ready to take the next step? Click the link in the description to access exclusive resources that will accelerate your path to success. Your extraordinary life is waiting. Seize it now.